Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to do SVM modeling using different non-dimensional parameters in MATLAB. For that we need these things. First, collected data sets which we already have. As here you can see that we have file name SVM data, testing SVM and training SVM. This one is the collected data set. Then we segregate the data sets into testing and training. Testing and training. Approx 75% of the dataset in training and 25% in testing. Remember one thing, segregate the dataset randomly for training and testing. Now, the next step is to open MATLAB. I have MATLAB version 2018, and then we import datasets. Import selection. Again, we import the testing dataset. In MATLAB, we go to apps and there in regression learner. Here we will go to new session and we will select training SVM. It is our training dataset. Here we have total 6 parameters, non-dimensional parameters: BYY, D50YY, UY, sigma and fraud number, and DSYY. The one which we have to take as output, we will deselect that and it will be under response. Here we can see that our DSYY is under response. We can change it if we have to. If our output is BYY, then we can take BYY in response. We can select or deselect it from here. Here we need DSYY. It is cross validation. We will take leave it as 5 volts. And now we will start session. This is just a minute. Here we have to select all SVMs. And now we will train. It will take some time. We can see that the data set has been trained for 6 different kernel functions linear SVM, quadratic SVM, cubic SVM, fine Gaussian SVM, medium Gaussian SVM, and coarse Gaussian SVM. Out of these six, the one which has less RMSE value is showing the best model. Here this option is feature selection. We can select or deselect the parameters which we don't want to be included. Let's suppose we have included all parameters. If we want to exclude BYY, just we deselect it from here and then go to all SVM and train again. This will be a quicker step. Here we can see that out of 5 features, it has taken 4 features. Means using 4 parameters, the model has been tested, and this one is for all 5 parameters. We can just go it here, and the number of parameters we need, we can select or deselect and do the same process again. After that, we will export the model. We have to rename it. We can name it trend model 1. Okay. Here it has come at trend model 1. Now we have to validate the result using testing datasets which we have segregated and renamed as testing SVM. For that, we need to write some thing like here we can see that to make predictions on a new table, we have to write yfit is equal to trend model 1 dot predict FCNT. Here T is the our testing dataset. Now we will write it here. Yfit is equal to, try to write as it is written above, trend model 1 dot predict testing SVM. This name can differ because as by which name we will save the Excel sheet, we have to write it here and press enter. You can see that for our selected testing datasets, these are the DS by Y predicted. The same process can be done for a different trend model. Here we have this predicted data set for trend model 1. If we have more models that trend model 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to do the same process and we will get the result. That's all. Thank you.